Yeah, hi, I'm JD Joseph David. I'm a tattoo trainer and tattoo teacher from Dyson Tattoos. I'm since almost more than 11 years in this field. So, what I'm saying to the people, some people learning from YouTube, some people are learning from online and observing from the other people. But tattoo is depending on the depth. So depth ఎవరికైతే అర్థం కాదో దే డజంట్ నో అబౌట్ ద డెప్త్ స్కిన్ డ్యామేజ్ అవుతుంది స్కిన్ విల్ స్పాయిల్ సో డోంట్ గో లైక్ ఏ మనం కార్ డ్రైవ్ చేయొచ్చు బైక్ డ్రైవ్ చేయొచ్చు మనం మాత్రమే డ్యామేజ్ అవుతాం కానీ టాటూలో నాలెడ్జ్ లేకుండా వేరే వాళ్ళ మీద టాటూ చేస్తే వెన్ వి డూ టాటూ అదర్ పీపుల్స్ బాడీ వితౌట్ నాలెడ్జ్ వి విల్ స్పాయిల్ దెమ్ బాడీ సో what we have to we have to go layers, what the layers and what the procedure, what the size. So I train so many people and from Hyderabad you can ask so many skin specialist doctors. They are students from me from Dyson Tattoos. I am one of the employee here from Dyson Tattoos and they are students from me. And so many people are like a art and so many, and today one of the software member and his name is Satya is here today and we can, and his first tattoo is going to do today. Here he is making his first tattoo and we are going to interview him what is his experience lively. He paid money, is not a free, he paid almost 50,000 and everyday transport and expenditure and so much of time, and he is wasting daily more than 7 hours per year. He is wasting time since 3 months. So it's not a joke. As a software person is wasting a 7 hours time every day. It's not a joke, and his money. So we'll interview him. Hi bro.
Hi.
Yeah, what's your name?
So my name is Satya.
So you like this field,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So you came in here.
Yes.
You directly came here.
So I went through the YouTube videos of David sir. So I seen all the previous sections, whatever happened into these particular training sections in Stored Dyson Tattoos. So then I decided I came here. Before I coming here, I went to couple of training in stores in Hyderabad. But when I compare with all the training materials and whatever the details they are providing, I felt appropriate information given by the David sir. So I really feel happy that to be here in the institute, and it's been around 3 months I'm getting training with this particular institute. When I joined with this particular institute, I was nil, 0%. I did not even know anything about the tattoos. I'm working into the software organization. This is the currently time is something like a work from home. I got my around 3 to 4 hours from my personal life. I kept into this particular training institute and I learned many things from David sir.
Okay. When you joined here,
Yes sir.
did you expected will you make this kind of tattoo on your body? Exactly. Tell me truth.
No sir, I didn't expect it. Actually, I don't even know appropriate drawing itself when I joined with this institute initially.
Can I ask you one thing?
Sure sir.
When you paid money,
Yeah.
did you expect it? I will go out with this knowledge.
See, when I paid money, I was really nervous and everything because I already spent around 50k of the amount, and I'm spending around daily 4 hours only. I didn't expect it this much of learning will be going to happen for me in the institute for the past 3 months. I'm really happy with this.
You're really happy.
Yes, sir.
So you are satisfied with this.
100% I am satisfied with this.
So you will make more better tattoos next.
Yes sir. Sure.
Because it's your first tattoo.
Correct, sir.
And even I'm one of the experienced senior
Yes, sir.
and one of the teacher from Dyson Tattoos.
Yes sir.
When you are done tattoo, my tattoo knowledge,
Yes sir.
today you can know how I make tattoos and how I do all the things.
Correct sir.
So you are observing every day.
Yes, I'm daily observing what people are doing, how they are working, and what the stations will be available, and what are the colors really required. How we need to make a new decoration towards whatever the existing tattoos are available. And Joyce and Tattoos really thinks different from the tattoo institutes whatever available in the market.
And you came here since 3 months, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how many country people you faced?
I really faced many country people around Russia, USA, and some other people came from out of stations.
In Dubai.
And Dubai person also came, and I learned many things that people are coming from out of station and having a tattoos in this particular area. Really happy, really feel that I'm very much proud that I'm learning at this Joyce and Tattoos.
Your first tattoo, right? It is.
Yes, this is my first tattoo.
Can any tattoo studio can prove them students tattoo like this? Have you seen anywhere?
I never seen any tattoo institute kept this much of the work and whatever the things.
First tattoo. Them first tattoo.
I really feel this is the first time.
First time, right?
Yes.
So, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
So people have to know one thing. So everybody can make artwork, everyone make art designs and wall designs. Everybody is the best artist. I'm not disappointing anyone, but what I'm saying, that tattoo is a body art. It's a live art. What the depth we have to give, how to do the tattoo and up the layers, how many layers we have to inject. This is the main thing. So please go. What I'm saying, you have to go like a professional, because mana షర్ట్ ఎవరన్నా స్పాయిల్ చేస్తేనే మనం ఓకే చేయలేము. అలాంటిది someone people's body we are making tattoo. సో ఎంత రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇవ్వాలి, ఎంత కేర్ తీసుకోవాలి, ఎలా వెళ్ళాలి, అండ్ ఎంత డెప్త్ చేయాలి వాళ్ళ బాడీ స్కిన్ కి. ఇట్స్ అ లైఫ్ లాంగ్ టాటూ. టిల్ దెమ్ డెత్ దే హ్యావ్ ద టాటూస్. సో ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎ జోక్. ప్లీజ్, not with our studio like a Joyce and Tattoo Studios, not my like students. What I'm saying, professional tattoos you have to make. మీరు ప్రొఫెషనల్ టాటూ చేయండి, బట్ వాళ్ళ లైఫ్ ని, వాళ్ళ బాడీని, వాళ్ళ దాన్ని మనీ కోసమో దేనికోసం స్పాయిల్ చేయొద్దు. కైండ్లీ రిక్వెస్ట్, డోంట్ స్పాయిల్ సమ్వన్ బాడీ ఫర్ మనీ. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఎనీ డౌట్ ప్లీజ్ కాంటాక్ట్ us. I give my full knowledge. Thank you so much. From Joyce and Tattoos. Bye bye.